Hi, I'm Clay Lenderman with Enchanted Forest, and today I'm going to be talking to you about molasses. So horticultural molasses is a great cost-effective product to be using on your plants for the summertime. In the summertime, your plants are getting used to all these hot temperatures and they're losing their energy levels. So this replenishes energy levels, and when they do that, it helps with nutrient uptake, water retention, and build cell walls. And all of those things combined make a great healthy plant for summertime. But what it also does is deter insects. Insects do not like healthy, sugary plants. So if you have insects in your garden during the summertime heat, like mealybugs, whitefly, they will start to scatter after you start using this and go find other less healthy plants. So this is a mix and spray sprayer from Bonide. We're gonna be using this to 3 ounces per gallon. And we're just gonna spray our lantana here. If I turn on the hose, and so this covers 1,000 square foot for 3 to 6 ounces. This is 128 ounces in a gallon. So you'll have a lot of horticultural molasses to use for your garden. So no matter the size, you will be able to use it with just 1 gallon.